rusty truck out here that I put on Facebook Marketplace. I don't know if really anyone's gonna get it, and so yeah, we'll just wait if I ever get a text message or a little Facebook message about it. So let's just chill out on here, you know, scroll on TikTok. Hoping someone texted me for this call, because like I just, oh my gosh, wait, I think I got a text. His account is Shell TV. Okay, I think I can work with that. I'm gonna text him. How much are you offering? Send. See what he sends. 2K. I can work with that because it's a really rusty truck. So, deal. When do you want to meet? Tomorrow, 5 p.m. Okay, so he wants to meet at tomorrow at 5 p.m. Okay, deal. He said I'll come back whenever the quick build is finished. Okay, so he's gonna come back. No, wait. Oh, I'm sorry. The slow build is finished. He's gonna do a slow build on it, and he'll come back whenever he's good to. So, I mean, I'll see him tomorrow at 5 p.m. But for now, since it's only like 6 p.m., I'm gonna drive around in my like old time Ford. Turn out of here. See, I just got this Ford upgraded to where the suspension is crazy. So yeah, we can go test that out. Just going for a drive. Oh, wait, I just got a text. He wants to come pick it up today. Okay, let me actually call this dude. Ring, 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 ring. Hey, so, you want to come pick the truck up today or tomorrow? Alright, so what time? Yeah, we can go 5 a.m. Unless I wake up like really early, because I just love seeing the sunrise, bro. I'm obsessed with the sunrise, honestly. Alright, man, well, I'll see you tomorrow at 5 a.m. Beep, beep. Alright, so I guess I'll see this dude at 5 a.m. Well, he wants to pick this truck up at 5 a.m. So, probably gonna get some sleep and wake up at like 4 and just wait for him. No, I might just wake up at like 4:50. Well, 4:40 just in case he gets here a little early, so. Alright, so if it's a 3-hour drive, he'll end up leaving at about around 2 a.m. So let's go ahead and call him. Hey, man. Oh, wait. Gotta call him. Why did I say beep, boop, beep, beep. Ring, 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 ring. Ring, ring. Hey, man, so question. So if we're in Texas, where could you possibly be? Okay, so that is about a 3-hour drive. Okay. Alright, so Louisiana. If I'm in Texas, so that is about a 3-hour drive. Alright, man, so this, yeah, you can just do that if you want, but, you know, this is a little saying, you know, just set the time to, like, 9 p.m. and you'll get here at, like, maybe 10, since you're leaving at, just leave at 7, bro, and set the time to, like, 9. It's just a saying I say. And then, you know, I'll wait an hour and you'll get here at 10. Is that a deal? Alright, y'all, I'm going to do a transition to where it is 9 a.m. Oh, wait, let me hang up. Beep, beep, boop, boop, beep, beep, beep. I'll do a transition from where it's 9. So, see y'all when it's 9. Alright, guys, it's 7 p.m. And, I mean, it's been 2 hours. I called him at 5. Should be heading here. And honestly, we'll just wait. I'll do a transition when he's here. Alright, let me call him. Ring, 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 ring. Hey, man, where are you? Where are you exactly? Cool. No, it's just 10, or it's 9 p.m., so should get here in about an hour, right? Alright. Well, see you in about an hour. Beep, beep. Alright, man. Well, I'm going to take a nap, and he'll just knock on the door when he's here. Oh, I woke up a little early, but luckily it is 10, so let's go see if he's here. Oh, yep. Hey, man. Yellow. What's up, man? Honestly? So you're looking at this truck right here, right? So, question, you texted me, you're going to do a slow build on it, and, you're wanting to bring it back whenever you're done so you can show me what you did to it. Is that correct? Alright, man. Well, you agreed on $2,000, right? Alright, well, hey, I will ask for a little bit of $50 extra because I did put new springs on it, but they still need to be broken in. That's all I'm asking for, a little $50 extra. Alright, man, shake on it. Yeah, here, you mind shaking on it real quick? Alright, yep, see you in maybe, how long do you think this build's gonna take exactly? Alright, see you in a month, bro. I'll let him get home, but I am going home. So if it's a 3-hour drive, he'll get there at 1 a.m. So yeah, I'm just gonna go to bed. Why am I not in my master bed? What the frick was I thinking? Pretty sure this is it. That's the back door. Right. That's also the front. Oh, I just fell off my freaking. Oh, here it is. Just take a shower real quick.
The middles are liking. We're gonna probably tell her that.
Just gonna get out the shower now. Just gonna hop out the shower now. That's my closet. New house, new rules, think it's been about 3 hours because I'm pretty sure it's like 1 a.m. now. I don't know. Yeah, I think it's about, 1 a.m. Yeah, it's around 1 a.m. I'm gonna tell him to text me when he gets home. Alright, let me text him. Text me when you get home. Drive safe. Alright, sent it. Hopefully he texts me back, because I don't need him getting into a crash. That'd be... Alright, y'all, I'm going to do a transition to where it's been about a month. So, yeah. I'll let him build that truck, and yeah. Nah, I'm not going to do a transition just yet. Alright, y'all, we'll do a part 2 for whenever he gets finished with that truck. Peace out. See y'all in that part 2.